Source: Babu Mohan, Android Central. Google revealed at its Sustainable with a Google event in October 2021 that it's launching a variety of new tools to help Google search users make more sustainable choices. In addition to revealing tools that can be used to plan a more sustainable trip with a Google search, the company teased the ability to help shoppers make more sustainable purchases. With that in mind, here's how to find sustainable products and services using Google. How to use Google to search to find sustainable products and services. As well as pledging for its campuses and data centers to run carbon-free by 2030, Google is encouraging users to make more sustainable choices in all aspects of life. As part of this plan, Google has now made it easier for users to shop for energy-efficient home appliances, particularly energy-intensive devices like dishwashers, furnaces, dryers, water heaters, and stoves. Here are the steps you need to take to find sustainable products and services using Google. Pac-Man OnePlus Nord 2 hands-on. OnePlus new limited edition Nord 2 comes with a glow-in-the-dark back, 8-bit inspired themes and a unique stand in the box. Check out our first look at the OnePlus Nord 2 Pac-Man limited edition. 0 seconds of 55 seconds, volume 0%. Go to the Google shopping page. Type the name of the device you want to buy into the search bar. Source: Keegan Prosser, Android Central. Once the shopping tab appears on the left, scroll down to the Features section. Under Features, select Energy Star. Once you've selected the Energy Star feature, Google will populate the page with the most cost-effective and energy-efficient devices available right now. You can also narrow your search by selecting descriptors such as the price, size, style, brand, and finish of the device you're hoping to buy. Google Goes Green. The ability to search for more sustainable products and services is just one aspect of Google's long-term plan to be more environmentally friendly. Beyond the steps mentioned above, Google announced plans to make it easier to search and shop for eco-friendly cars via its search function by highlighting or tagging electric models. Those features are expected to go live in 2022. The company is also taking its sustainability efforts to the next level by introducing a new program called Nest Renew, which gives Nest thermostat owners the ability to both save money and live cleaner by adjusting usage to times when energy is cheaper and cleaner. Cyber Monday Canada, the best discounts from Amazon, Walmart. The time to start Cyber Monday shopping is now. We're gathering all the best Cyber Monday deals from retailers across Canada right here, from Amazon and Best Buy to Walmart and more. Cyber Monday Android phone deals. Cyber Monday deals for the best Android phones are here. If you're hoping to find a new phone at a discount, Cyber Monday is the perfect opportunity to shop for one. Cyber Monday fitness tracker deals. Cyber Monday, be ready, because these fitness tracker deals are going fast. Whether you are looking to save some cash on a new fitness tracker for yourself, someone else, or just a nice stocking stuffer, Cyber Monday is a great time to pick one up, and we've got the deals for you to do just that. Save money for Quest 2 games. Play PC VR games on the Oculus Quest 2 without the $80 official cable. The Oculus Link cable is undoubtedly the best way to play Steam VR and Oculus Rift games on the Oculus Quest 2, but it costs nearly $80. Alternative cables cost far less while hitting the same benchmarks, but some you'll find on Amazon can't be trusted. Here are the ones you should try first.